Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about Kafka and also demonstrate how to use it. First I'll go through traditional message queue versus Kafka, and then I will go through Kafka architecture and key components. Finally, I will let you know how to publish the messages to topic and consume them from the topic. So these are the differences. In traditional MQ, the message processing model is point to point. Once the message is sent, it is consumed by the single consumer. In Apache Kafka, it has publish subscribe model. Once the message is sent by the producer, published by the producer, it is consumed by multiple consumers. Persistence. Messages are deleted after consumption. In Apache Kafka, they are stored for a configurable period, say for a week or for a day or for a year. Scalability. It is limitedly scalable as it has centralized brokers. In Apache Kafka, it is highly scalable because of its distributed architecture. Throughput. It has low throughput as it should ensure delivery guarantee. Apache Kafka has high throughput due to batching and efficient disk I/O. Performance. It is suitable for low throughput workloads for traditional MQ, and for Apache Kafka it is designed for high throughput workloads. Durability. Once the message is sent, it is stored in memory unless explicitly configured for persistence. Apache Kafka, it it writes to the disk immediately once the message is published. Traditional MQs are used for simple task distribution, whereas Apache Kafka they are used for real-time streaming, event sourcing, and log aggregation. This is the Kafka architecture. It has producer, cluster, and consumers. The producers will publish the messages to a topic which are present in the broker in the cluster. The cluster has many brokers. Brokers are nothing but servers, and the broker contains topic. The topic has the messages which are divided in partitions. Even if one of the broker fails, the other broker will have the copy of that message, and so I can say Kafka is fault tolerant. Consumer will consume those messages once they are present in the topic. Topic is nothing but, let's say an e-commerce website wants to track a user activity of the users. You can say user activity as a topic. Now I'll let you know how to publish the messages through producer and consume those messages from consume program. Before that, you need to create a Confluent Cloud account and how to create a cluster. Once you have created the cluster, it will give you the details of Bootstrap server, authentication details like username, password. Those all details you have to save it in config file in your local server. As you need to pass those details uh, in a producer program, and also you have to pass the topic name. So these are the two arguments which you are sending for the producer program, topic and config. First, it reads the configuration details and then it will produce the message in a key value pair. Let me run the program. See here key value my key 3 and the value hello Kafka, it is published to the topic. And the consumer program, it also needs two arguments, topic and configuration details are need to be passed. Once the messages are present in the topic, it will consume those messages. See, it has consumed those messages. Let me change the values. See, it is reflected. my key for and the value test for, and those messages are also consumed by the consumer. I'll show it in Confluent Cloud. So I have created the test topic as a topic name. You can see all those details like retention time here, it is like 1 week. See, you can see those messages, my key for and the value. Hope this video finds you helpful for you and informative for you. And in my next video, I will let you know how I have consumed those messages through by using AWS Lambda function. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.